Welcome back, guys. It's another video. I just did a short video. Go watch that real quick and then come back. I'll wait. You back? Okay. Now you know what I'm doing in this video. I'm doing CNN. It's back. Let's get it. Let's go.
Welcome to a new show and a brand new season of CNN 10. We are your daily down-the-middle explanation of what's happening in the world, and I'm your host, Carl Azus. It is great to be starting a new season with you. There is a lot that's going on around the world, from chaos in the Asian country of Afghanistan to the ongoing and some new problems brought on by the worldwide spread of COVID-19 to struggles in the Caribbean island nation of Haiti. It's endured another devastating earthquake earlier this month. We're planning to cover all these stories on our show this week, but we're starting today with a look at the situation in the northeastern United States, which was just hit by a relatively rare tropical storm. Its name is Henri. It formed near Bermuda exactly a week ago on August 16th. On Saturday, Henri temporarily strengthened to hurricane status, which means its wind speeds were at least 74 miles per hour. But yesterday, the system weakened a bit as it approached land, and it was downgraded to tropical storm status. Still, Henri is a problem, a big one, for part of the U.S. that's not used to seeing a lot of Atlantic hurricanes or tropical storms. The region of New England, which includes the states of Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island, hasn't seen a hurricane make landfall since 1991. And that's where Tropical Storm Henri washed in over the weekend. It made landfall on Rhode Island Sunday afternoon. At the time, more than 50 million people were under some sort of storm-related warning. For example, because of the threat of a storm surge, a rise in seawater levels pushed ashore by a tropical system, flooding was a threat to millions, especially in low-lying areas. Those in some coastal towns of Connecticut were ordered to leave their homes. More than 1,000 flights were canceled in the region as Tropical Storm Henri approached, and the National Guard was activated in Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and Rhode Island to help with the rescue and recovery efforts following the storm. Thousands of power restoration and cleanup crews were also put on standby in case electricity was lost and trees fell and blocked roads. Henri is the 8th named storm in this Atlantic hurricane season, which officially runs from June 1st through November 30th, though hurricanes can form at any time. Many forecasters expect this season to be above average in the number of named storms officials are predicting. But so far, this year is not keeping pace with 2020's season, which set a record with 30 named storms.
Remember to like and subscribe because it's video.
Andrew, Katrina, Harvey, Irma. These are some hurricane
Okay, let
names.
me.
1979, the English,
Oh,
Spanish
here we go.
started alternating between men and women, and we recycle that list every 6 years. In the Atlantic Basin, now we mostly use English, Spanish, and French names. Storms are given short, distinctive names to help communication and avoid confusion. You can't request a storm to be frankly because there just aren't many names that start with those letters.
Oh, sorry.
Those storm names that begin with Q, U, X, Y, or Z. Frankly because there just aren't many names that start with those letters. The naming process is handled by the United Nations World Meteorological Organization. A storm name will be retired if it's too costly, deadly, or too inappropriate to be used again. In fact, from 1953 to 2020, there have been 93 storm names retired. In 2005 and 2020, we actually used all of the names on the predetermined list and then started using the Greek alphabet for the remainder of the storms. Well, now that's a thing of the past too. The World Meteorological Organization decided that the Greek alphabet was too confusing and even more confusing when a Greek letter needed to be retired. So they have come up with a subsequent list that will be used in the future if all of the storm names are used. And just like each individual name, each storm has its own personality.
CNN.
10-second trivia. In what
What In what decision did the U.S. Softball space race begin?
Decade did the U.S. Soviet
Decade,
space
sorry,
race begin?
decade.
1940s,
5,
1950s,
4, 3,
1960s,
2. What do you guys think? I give you 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's see.
It was in the mid-1950s that both countries started developing artificial satellites, effectively starting the space race.
Let me
There's a new space
back
race.
it up. Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of my video. I will do a short video real quick after I do some stuff. Yeah, I was just planning to do CNN. Oh, I didn't show you guys this before. I think I have, but I'm not 100. So I'm going to show him again. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Right now I'm still looking for it. I think he is alive. I'm not 100. Let's see. No, he's asleep. So, I'm still looking. Okay, guys, I found it. I am ready to show you guys who I'm talking about. Here we go. Hold on. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I have this, and look at him. Look at him. Here, let me pop you up. If you guys can see, I'm showing you what he does. He can't go forward right now, but he can still go, and then now we can go like this. Let me zoom back now. I'm going to let you guys go in a minute. Here, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 1 minute. Here we go. Oh, really? This button right here still doesn't do anything, but this one does. This one doesn't. See? He has. Can I talk now? He has like shooting bolts, but it didn't go through, so that was displaying. But I'm going to let you guys go in 2, 1, peace.